Wow, nice voice as well. My two channel is already connected to you, sir. The Griselda Alfaro and this channel, Gracie Mom. You have also very nice voice. Wow. But in YouTube, there is copyright, right? Copyright. You don't have to lie to me. I don't have a good voice. Really, huh? What's this I heard right now? Oh, what's that? But I'm scared. Maybe this not, it's not copyright. Really? Those are all my songs. Ah, okay. I'm afraid. Yeah, I'm